Okay, let's just take a moment just to look at that. This is crab stuffed lobster. Y'all gotta watch how we do this. So here are our two lobster tails. I am going to be using kitchen shears to cut the lobster tails down the middle. Be sure you have some strong, durable shears to do this because lobster shells are not easy to cut through. Just be careful when you are cutting to watch out for those little breakaway pieces of shell. And what we're doing is we're removing the shell from the actual tail meat. So some lobsters are easier than others, so just keep that in mind. Just keep working at it until you get it out. And the goal is to get the meat of the lobster tail outside of the shell because we're going to sit it directly on top of the shell. I am going to create a butter mixture to go on top of the lobster before placing it in the oven. I did use 1 stick of butter. I melted that and now I'm just going to season that butter. All of the seasonings that I use for the butter mixture will be linked in the description box below. Even though I do have the butter mixture for the lobster, I'm going to season the lobster tails meat just a little bit before I add that butter. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to place these lobster tails in the oven for about 6 to 7 minutes prior to adding the crab on top of them, because this is a big piece of meat. So we just want to make sure that not only the crab is cooked thoroughly, but so is the lobster meat. So this is actually going to go in the oven. While in the oven, that's when I'm going to get my crab mixture all together. This will be in the oven for 6 to 7 minutes on 400 degrees. So for the crab mixture, I kind of like more crab than cake because, I mean, technically this is kind of a crab cake. Again, all the ingredients for this mixture will be linked in the description box below, so just be sure to check that out so that way you can see what I use for my mixture. Alright, so now we're about to stuff the lobster tails with the crab meat after we took it out of the oven, and we're going to put it back in the oven for about 20 to 25 minutes back on 400 degrees. I am taking the remainder of that butter mixture that we made and I'm just drizzling it all over the lobster right now, getting some of that good garlic to be added right on top. I do thank you guys so much for watching. Please make sure to subscribe to my channel and turn on those notifications so that way you can always know when I am dropping a new video. Thank you so much.